guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I'm a makeup artist, a beauty blogger, and a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'll be showing you guys how I achieved this look that I have on right now. I used pigments, and I know some people struggle with using pigments or loose products, so I'm going to show you guys how I applied the eyeshadow on this look because I used mostly pigments to do this eye makeup look. So if you'd like to see how I used pigments to create this eye look that I have on, make sure you keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you end up liking it, or you can also give this video a thumbs up already, just click on the like and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.
For my brows, I'm using the Evita Joseph brow pencil in chestnut brown, and I'm just filling in my brows. Next, I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm using this Elegel Pro Conceal to clean out my brows, and I'm using this flat brush from Evita Joseph as well. Next, I'm going to apply this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, which I just got, and this is going to be sort of like a base. And I'm setting all that in with a translucent powder. To transition, I'm using this shade from the Morphe palette, and I'm using a blending brush. This brush is from Evita Joseph as well. You guys can tell I use a lot of Evita Joseph products. And I'm going in with this dark brown, and this is going to be like my crease color. This is what I'm going to use to create my crease. I'm just creating like a halo with this product. I'm using a small blending brush, like a mini blending brush, to do this step, and this one is also from Evita Joseph as well. Next, I'm going in with this army green color, and I'm using the blending brush that I use for my transition to just apply this and just blend out that dark brown that I applied before. And now I'm creating my crease. I'm using a flat brush to create my crease, the same one from Evita Joseph, and I'm just using a concealer to draw out my crease, and I'm just going to fill that lid area with the concealer. And that's what I'm doing right now, just filling it up and making sure that it's all blended out. Now I'm going to go in with my pigment. This one is from Inglot. I just copied this one, and it was really nice when I saw it, and yeah, I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Now I'm going to set that with the pigments, set the area with the pigments, and I'm leaving out a very small portion around the outer V area because that's where my smoky eye color is going to go. Now I'm taking this this dust from Yanga Beauty, and I'm just popping that with a pencil brush in my tear dot area. Now I'm going to go in with the same army green color that I use for my crease, and this is going to serve as my smoky eye color. I'm blending that in with a blending brush. Line my eyes, I'm using the Inglot gel liner in number 77 with a flat brush, with an angled brush rather, and I'm creating a very, very gigantic wing. Well, if you ask me, this is a very big wing liner. I wanted to intensify the eye color. I'm going in with this pigment. I've already applied my lashes, and I'm going in with this pigment from MAC Cosmetics. It's like a silvery color. Now I'm going to just apply, now I'm going to apply primer all over my face, and then I'm going to go in with foundation. Foundation I'm using is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and I'm just pressing that on with a Real Techniques brush that I always use for foundation. Well, I use it most of the time. It's one of my favorite brushes to use for foundation. Concealer, I'm going in with the Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm just applying this in the areas that I will normally highlight, and then I'm going to blend it using a damp beauty blender. For contour, I'm going in with the Elegel Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso, and I'm just applying it in the areas that will contour my nose, and I'm blending that in with a blending brush. This one is from RJB Beauty, and I'm blending out the perimeters of my face using the Real Techniques contour brush. Now Now to set my face, I'm going to use a Sasha Buttercup setting powder, and I'm basically just pressing these products on in the areas that I would normally apply, you know, my setting powder. And then I'm going to blend out everything, and then I'm going in with a dark shade of powder in the perimeters of my face, my contoured areas, and then I'm going to go over that with my powder. And this one is from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm using the RJB Beauty brush to apply the powder. For bronzer, I'm going in with the CoverGirl bronzer in Ebony Bronze, and I'm using this angled brush, blending brush from Makeup Addiction to apply this. Now I'm going to go in with my liner. I'm using the Inglot gel liner as well for my waterline, and I'm just, you know, lining my eyes. For glow, I'm going in with the Yanga Beauty Candid Glow, and I'm just going to apply that using the Makeup Addiction highlight brush, my favorite brush to use. Mascara, I'm using the Zaron mascara, the lengthening mascara, and I'm going to go on and do my lips. I'm lining with a brown pencil. I'm going to go on and apply Velvet Teddy, which is my favorite, you know, nude lipstick. And then I'm going to go in with NYX matte setting spray all over my face.
So guys, this is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell down below so that you get notifications whenever I post up a new video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.